Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifeoma Uche. Again. As in, you're the way no show. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifeoma Uche.
My name is Kosi.
So yes, today I have a guest on my channel, my sister.
Yeah.
So we decided to try this thing. She has been my student for a while, so she's going to do my makeup today. So what kind of makeup do you have in mind?
Okay. I have a nude makeup. Let's start simple.
Baby steps.
Baby steps.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a nude makeup for my sister. I have been watching her YouTube channel and I have been so inspired. Don't allow your head to swell. I'm
inspired.
So I have been so inspired. I've watched and I've learned. So now I want to experiment on her face.
The whole experiment scares me though. But let's get right to it, okay?
Okay. First step is to clean her face with a face wipe. All clean. Now the next step is to ensure that the eyebrows.
Sorry.
I used to be.
Okay.
Next step is to ensure that the eyebrows are well done, are well cut.
You know he's blade away from me.
Here's your blade. Yeah, here's your blade. Oh, I won't cut plenty.
I literally just cut my eyebrows.
I will not buy to cut something. I have to cut something. Bring the razor blade. Okay. Now we can see it's properly carved so that we can get the arc. Next is to draw. Let's try this eyes first. Maybe we're gonna have good luck with this other eyes.
Okay, she tries smooth.
Mm-hmm.
What's it?
Calm down. Second eyes, don't squeeze it.
You don't squeeze it. Squeeze the problem.
They may not be exactly the same thing, but your concealer will make it okay.
I didn't teach her that.
The concealer will make it okay.
I didn't teach her that.
Okay, now that you've done this, the next step is to
What's this called?
be marking good up there and be going. Then we'll mark the second side too. So now we have our eyebrows almost done. Hold on.
Aww.
We need to make it neat by using our concealer and our brush. Is our brush?
My makeup artist is asking who is the brush. Madam, this is the brush.
Thank you. So this is the brush I'm going to use to conceal the eyes. And I'm going to be using this concealer. How days to do it? Like, I need you to see the product.
Where we waited, go.
So what I've just done, I've used a lighter shade for the here, and a darker shade for this side. Did I spoil you?
Not bad, not bad. Just one brow and she's tired.
Commercial break is this thing.
There's no commercial break.
Alright.
All the way.
So now we're going to dab. Blend it in. That's the word. We're going to blend.
Not bad. What's still on the eyebrow?
She said not bad. Second eye. So it's the same process. So light shade here, dark shade here. So now we blend in again.
So weird. I can't remember the last time someone did my makeup.
Did it make sense?
Yes. Continue. Move ahead. Remember this moment when you want to stress me to make it up. You mean the brows is not that light?
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Brows are not so light. But
When we're done with the video, I will fire you.
you want to give your review?
Before.
Okay, so now for the eyeshadow. First step to doing the eyeshadow is to making sure you have enough concealer to cover the eyes. So the next step now is to
Do you not know?
what's the next step?
I don't know.
Cut crease.
I thought you wanted to do a nude makeup.
Yeah.
So what's cut crease doing inside the nude makeup?
Okay. Fine. So the next step is to pick up our eyeshadow palette.
Which one do you want?
Okay. The next step is actually to powder the distance. Where's the powder? This one. This for powder.
It's important to state at this point that she's a trans student. What day in 10 days out?
Cause I'll be the best you never had. I'll be the best you never had. Close your eyes, my friend. Now, since it's nude we're doing, now go for a nude makeup, whatever two color we choose or one color set. Okay, first. Okay, so this is it. Normally, the colors I use for nudes are always this brown and then this one. So what?
I don't know what you want to pick. I'm curious. Then what colors do you want to pick?
I can choose this one. I may choose this one, this yellow one, or I'll choose this one and this one. This one and this one must go together.
Are you directly asking for my opinion? Because I'm not giving.
What do you want?
Make your pig. Whatever you want to use it.
I'm going with the brown.
Hold on.
Don't forget to dust. Close your eye. Circular motion, please. Circular motion, very important.
Forgot to dust. Don't forget to dust.
Don't be like me. Dust. We're getting there. Okay. At this point, now we need to apply the real nude itself. Clean this. I'm tired. I'm tired. Somebody help me, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm not even dressed.
See through to the end.
Dust. Oh. So this is where I'm stopping for today.
I don't know. What about the skin work?
Am I doing the whole skin for you?
Which kind of makeup artist only does the eyeliner?
How much you pay?
Doesn't press. Yes, open it.
We're using this one. This one. You're tired.
I'm tired.
See, I don't like you to smile.
I never had a problem with my smile. So weird. Is this how my hand feels on your face when I'm doing your makeup?
All the vibration.
Yes. Then how do you manage to sleep off?
Because you get bored. Yeah, just in the middle, you just get bored. Like, God, please let this be over. Okay. Make a lip. This is very unnecessary, but it's difficult to get a natural lip color, so I just use this.
How long have you been
Shut
using this? How long have you been doing this? Oh, okay. Do I need to
going for natural lips since I'm not also get our ministry. I still use the eyeshadow. So you can use brown lips. But I just want to use. So at this junction, contour. Where's the contour? Fine, you don't want to bring out the contour.
Is this what eyeshadow is in my contour? This is where we don't let this makeup.
Alright, so this is it. Oh.
Are you done?
Do you want a more pointed nose?
No, I'm very much okay. I just have one question.
So,
How long have you been using my eyeshadow for lipstick? You have seen it. The truth is out.
so I think we're done with it. We can also put the shine if we want though.
You mean bronzer, highlighter, glow spray? What is shine? Which village are you from? Are you done?
Yes, probably.
No. Are you done? You asked me, did I spoil like was ever any good?
Alright, so I'm done with your makeup.
Oh!
Isn't she beautiful?
So guys, you could rate this makeup, this look down in the comment section.
Please rate this makeup, rate this look, rate and leave your DM and your phone number. Just in case I have a feedback for you. So rate this look. Go to the comment section and rate. This is my work, my personal
Emphasis
work.
on her work, and I did not teach her any of this.
I'm tired.
Well guys, thank you for staying with us throughout the video. I
Yeah.
hope you had fun.
Yeah.
You enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Also turn on your bell notifications so when we upload more exciting crazy videos like this, you would get it. Also, give us a thumbs up if you found it interesting, and comment. Please rate this her makeup because I cannot start to explain.
Please rate the makeup. I think I did good though.
I don't know how she's proud of this though.
Don't give them opinion.
Okay.
Don't even give them
Okay.
idea.
Rate your sincere opinions. Okay.
Sincere opinion.
See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.